In this tutorial, I will explain how the AliDropship plugin operates. First, we log into our website with our credentials. Click the plugin button on the top left corner of the web page. Click on Settings, and then select the General menu. In the Order Fulfillment section, ensure that the following message is written in the text box: "We are dropshipping." Please do not include any invoices or promotional materials in the package. This is to ensure that our customers are unaware that our product is from AliExpress. In the Product Images section, make sure to check all the checkboxes. This will save all the product images on our server and ensure there are no links to AliExpress. In the Tracking Service section, activate Don't Attach Tracking. This is to prevent our customers from receiving tracking links from AliExpress in their emails. In the AliExpress cashback section, enter your affiliate link if you have one. Select the pricing menu. In the pricing markup formula, we can add our custom formula to establish our profit, or we can use the recommended formulas by the plugin. In this case, we will use the recommended formulas. In the price rounding section, you can toggle the Round the Prices option to convert imported product prices to whole numbers. For instance, $6.49 will become $6, and $6.50 will become $7. In the Assign Cents text box, you can add cents to your product price after it is calculated by the formulas. For example, if we write 95 in the text box, if the final price of a product is $7.53, it will become $7.95. We will not use this option for our store. It is important that you remember to click on the button Update Prices if you made changes in this section. Click the Currency menu. In this section, we can set the currencies that our store will use. The default currency is the US dollar. If we toggle Enable Currency Switcher, we can add additional currencies from the Additional Currencies select box. If we need to set the symbols that separate thousands and cents, we must toggle the Enable Currency settings to change them. In this case, we will use the default values and the default currency, which is the US dollar. Click the Updates menu. In the When a product disappears or is out of stock select box, choose the Send to Draft Restore option. This ensures that out-of-stock products do not appear on the store page, they are saved as drafts. When the product is back in stock, it will be published and visible on the store page. This process is automatic. In the When a variation disappears or is out of stock select box, choose the Disable Enable option. This ensures that out-of-stock variations appear inactive on the product page. When the variation is back in stock, it will appear as active on the product page. This process is automatic. In the When the Price Changes select box, make sure that the Update Automatically option is selected, and the same options must be selected in the When Stock Changes select box. This ensures that AliExpress will keep the price and stock of our products updated automatically. You can also enable the Activate Auto Update option. This makes Google Chrome update the price and stock of our products automatically while it is open. For this to work, it is necessary to install the browser extension and grant it authorization. Any change made in this page requires an update. To accomplish this, simply click on the Update Now button and wait until the progress bar finishes. Click on Import and then select the Import Products menu. You can choose between two options to import. Import directly from AliExpress as many products as you want, or import from a curated database up to 50 products per month. In this case, we will choose the first option. We will need to install the AliDropship extension for Google Chrome. If it is not installed, the plugin will ask you to install the extension by clicking on the link. You must ensure that the AliDropship extension is always visible on the navigation bar. Return to your store web page. Copy the address of your store. Click on the browser extension on the navigation bar. Paste the address in the text box of the extension. Press the Add button. The website address will display with a red circle in the upper right corner of the text box because the extension is not authorized yet. To give authorization to the extension, you must click on the Login button. Then, click on the Authorize button. When the extension is activated and authorized, it will display a green circle in the upper right corner of the text box. Refresh the page. Click the Direct Import from AliExpress red button. Search for the desired product on the AliExpress website. Click on the desired product. Click on the Edit button and wait a few seconds. A screen with the options to change several parameters of the current product will appear. In the General tab, you can edit the product title and permalink that will be displayed on your store. In this case, we will only change the title of the product. You can also select the category to which the product will belong to. The categories shown are the ones that you created in WooCommerce. In this case, you should choose the category Shoes inside Running. In the Description tab, you can change the text and edit or erase the images that will appear in the product description of your store. If you want to erase an image, simply click on one and press the Delete key on your keyboard. In the Gallery tab, you can edit the images that will appear on the product page in your store. For example, you can erase the logo by clicking on the pencil icon, select the background color, and use the brush to erase the brand image. You can also add your own logo by clicking on the sticker button located at the bottom. Click on the Upload button, choose your image. Once the image is uploaded, click on it. Then drag the image to the desired position and finally resize it to the desired dimension. In order to apply the changes made, you must press the Save button located at the bottom. If you want to erase one of the images, you simply click on the trash bin icon located at the bottom of the image. In the Pricing tab, you will find that the extension already applied the price defined in the formulas of the plugin page. Though it is not recommended, you can also apply the same price to all the variations of the product by checking the Apply to All Variations checkbox. In the Attributes tab, you can change the name of the variations of the product. For example, you can change the name of the colors of the shoes. Also, in the Item Specifics section, you can edit the attributes that will appear in the Additional Information section of the product page in your store. In this case, you can erase the attributes of origin and CN by clicking on the trash bin icon next to the attributes. Once you are satisfied with the changes made, you can click on the Publish button and wait a few seconds. The product is now available and visible in your store. Click on the Main Menu button. Click on Products, and then select All Products. As you can see, the product is already available and published in our store. Thank you for watching.